dumadating na yung bakuna, so I think that one of these days everybody has to fall into line by sector. And with the added shipments arriving yesterday from Russia, let me thank the Russian people, the government, and President Putin for their kind-hearted support for the Filipinos. China remains to be our benefactor. And just because, if I may just add something to the narrative, just because we have a conflict with China does not mean to say that we have to be rude and disrespectful. As a matter of fact, we have many things to thank for China for the help in the past and itong mga tulong nila ngayon.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.